This is Alexander Cross, criminal attorney here in the San Francisco Bay Area. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you would like to learn more about criminal law here. That would be Law Offices of Cross and Associates, our YouTube channel. Now, we received an interesting question here on our channel. This is a question regarding a DUI. About 5 years ago, I was arrested for DUI and for driving without a license. How will this affect me in trying to get my license now? Well, that is a really good question. And really, it all depends on whether or not you fulfilled the terms of your probation, but more specifically, if you did your DUI school. Now, if you did your DUI school, either 3, 6, or 9 months, depending on how high your blood alcohol level was, you should be able to get a license, even if you don't have a Social Security number. Here in the state of California, you can get a driver's license, AB60 license, and it's no problem. However, if you didn't do your DUI school, you're going to have to do your DUI school, either 3, 6, or 9 months. You're going to have to do your DUI school, and then once you finish it, you'll be able to get your license. Now, you could apply for a restricted license while you're doing your DUI school, but if you want to get your license, you're going to have to wait until you finish your full license. You're going to have to wait until you finish your DUI school. Now, here's the deal. The reason why it's relevant that you didn't have a license when you got your original DUI is because a lot of times in criminal court, when a judge knew that you did not have a license, they didn't even bother ordering you to do the DUI school when you got a DUI, because they figured, why bother ordering it when this guy doesn't have a license anyway and he shouldn't be driving? Well, because they were not ordered by the judge, a lot of people who got DUIs who didn't have licenses never did the school. However, what people don't realize is that even if the judge does not order you to do the school, you still have to do it to satisfy the DMV. So it doesn't matter if a judge orders it or not. If you want to get a license, you got to do the DUI school if the DMV has it on record that you got a DUI. So if you already did the DUI school, you're fine. If you don't have a social, no big deal. Just go to the DMV, do the driving test, do the written test, the driving test, and you should be able to get a license AB60. And if you do have a social, well then, yeah, you should get your license, no big deal. Regardless of that, if you'd like to learn more about criminal law here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. But if you've been accused of having committed a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and are looking for representation in court, be sure to give us a call at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. See you shortly.